I want to head back to Abby just on that breaking news around the opening bell. Abby, let's go back there. What's happening to some of these halted stocks?
Yeah, it's really interesting, John, because that news came out and it was very different from what we usually see on the tape at that time. But stock after stock after stock, basically most NYSE stocks were paused for volatility. And as I had mentioned earlier on 3M, it showed a print of being down 16% in the first minute or so. So that suggests that there was some wild trading. But stock after stock from Nike, basically Occidental, they're all resuming now. So basically, overall, NYSE has said that the trading, that they're open, that they've seen an unusual number of halted stocks. And on J&J, it's interesting because this stock in the pre-market had been up, it had been down, and now, right around the time of the open, our internal Bloomberg system showed that it had been down for some range. Now it's showing that it had been up as much as 4%, and currently it's hard for me to actually even tell how much the stock is up. It looks like it's up just slightly at this point. And they, of course, put up a little bit of a disappointing quarter. They boosted their full-year earnings outlook. A bit of a surprise, John, of course, given the concern over the future of their COVID shot. The drug unit sales rose by 2.3% last year, but were up 4.3% without that COVID drug. The street, their guidance had been for 2.4% or 2.4 billion or so. The range is above. Consumer health, the least contributing to the overall outlook. Pharmaceutical was the best in the fourth quarter, more than 50% of revenues. But again, this NYSE trading situation, we'll be watching it all day. It's really pretty interesting. It's also interesting, John, because you have been talking about this rally all morning. This stock, Johnson & Johnson Healthcare, those stocks are all down this year.